How to save items to watch list on eBay. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To save an item to your eBay watch list, first thing first, just head over to your eBay application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once inside here, just head over to any of your categories or any of the products which you like to view and add to your watch list. So let's say I want to go over to this car section and I would simply choose any one of these options over here. And now to add it to watch list, all you have to do is just tap on this love icon over here. So as you can see, just like that, I've successfully saved the item or product to watch list. So you can also do that by clicking on this top right icon, that is three dot icon, and at the top right corner, and you can simply tap on this watch this item, and just like that, you have successfully added your product or items to your add to watch list, usually located beneath the buying option. And if you want to view your watch list after coming or exiting, you can just tap on this my eBay option from the bottom navigation bar and click on this watch list icon over here, where you will see all of your watch listed items or products. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.